Here's a second example of predicting the ions formed by common main group elements. We are again given our initial element example, scandium, which is not a main group element, but they've already predicted what the ion would be. We're just supposed to indicate whether this is a cation or an anion. As a metal, this metal is going to form a cation, a positively charged ion. Metals tend to lose electrons. Let's find phosphorus. Phosphorus is over here. It is a nonmetal. If we remember our pattern, these nonmetals typically form anions, the halogens, anions with a charge of -1, -2, -3. Our metals form cations with a charge of +1 in group 1A, +2, and then aluminum +3. So because phosphorus is a nonmetal over here in this group, we can predict that it will form an anion as a nonmetal with a charge of 3-. So phosphorus, P, 3- anion. Iodine is also a nonmetal, so we can immediately predict an anion. It is a halogen in group 7A, so its charge we predicted to be -1. Barium is a metal. We can predict a cation. It is here an alkaline earth metal, main group 2A, and so not only can we predict that it's a cation, but we can predict that its charge will be 2+. It will lose 2 electrons. Sodium is an alkali earth metal here in main group 1A, element symbol Na. Predicted charge would be +1 as a cation because, again, it's a metal. So typically our metals form cations and our nonmetal atoms gain electrons to form anions. And the charges of those anions and cations can vary of these main group elements, but generally they follow this pattern: +1, +2, aluminum +3, -1, -2, -3.